Hey guys, it's Jill down at Redwater Dodge, home of the $10 oil change, rig-ready Rams, and now we buy a Ram. I'm here to show you one of our newest trades. It's a 2016 Lincoln MKX, so let's take a peek. Under the hood, you do have your 3.7 liter engine. Really nice headlights on this vehicle, and then some fog lights as well, and your plug-in. 20-inch rims on this vehicle. It does have blind spot monitoring and keyless entry on either side. All the way back here, it is all-wheel drive. You do have a backup camera, rear park sensors, dual exhaust, all that good stuff. So it does also have a power liftgate. Extra little tie downs, cargo mat, and then you are also going to have a full-size spare and extra storage under there. Whole bunch of room for whatever you need, and then you do have power folding seats. We're going to go and check out the rest of the inside here. So inside the vehicle, as you can tell, it is going to be a fully loaded vehicle, full leather seats, and these are going to be heated and cooled. You do have the buttons for that right here on either side, and then again you are able to access that on the screen if you prefer that, and then you also have a heated steering wheel as well. Just kind of comes down to preference on what you want to use. Dual climate control in this vehicle. Nice little stitching all throughout the vehicle as well, and then you do have a glove box, but there's no actual handle to it, and it's because there's just a button right here that you press and it opens up with a whole bunch of storage there, and then you just tuck it away again. Large screen right here, and you also have navigation on it as well. Radio, all that good stuff, and then of course you can Bluetooth your phone's on there, whatever you like. You do have a volume dial right here, and then a dial to just tune between the channels. You also have a CD player, which a lot of people actually like. You do have buttons for your park, reverse, neutral, drive, all that good stuff right there. Push button start on this vehicle. And then extra storage right here with a plug-in and just some extra room to toss stuff. Cup holders, and then even more storage right here. And it has two parts to it, and it goes quite a ways down with another plug-in. Rear view mirror, of course. Sunglasses holder, kind of whatever you want to toss up there. Interior lighting on this vehicle. And then you also have a full moonroof in this one. And now if you don't like that, you are able to put a little shade on there. And it will come all the way to the front or just stop wherever you prefer it to stop. But then again, a nice black headliner so you don't see dirt as much on it. Garage door opener in this one as well. Then you have a mirror with some lights, as well as some handles in the vehicle for getting in and out nice and easily. Cruise control and Bluetooth in this vehicle. It also has adaptive cruise control, lane departure, all that good stuff, as well as blind spot monitoring in the mirrors and all that. Again, a heated steering wheel, which is really, really nice in the winter time. Right now it's summer, so can't really complain that it's warm out. And then you do also have automatic windows, power locks, all that good stuff. But we're gonna go check out the back seat. And then so in the back seat, a whole bunch of room for your passengers. Again, full leather, and these are heated. So you have the buttons right there for that. Then you got some plug-ins here as well for your passengers to use. Rear vents. A little armrest on this vehicle as well. You do have latches for car seats, and then these do actually fold flat. So it's nice and easy there for loading stuff in and out. But if you want to make this vehicle yours, you can give us a call at 780-942-3629.